Come on, Rocco, let's go for a walk.
What's that? There you go.
Oh, she's going to take Rocco for a walk?
Oh my God.
What do you think, Rocco? What? What do you think? Huh? Hi, little one. Hey, little one.
Rocco.
Let's see if she'll do it again.
Grab it.
She going to do it again?
Grab it.
Oh.
She's going to grab it. You going to get it? You want to get it? I don't think we really want to teach you how to do this. Although a lot of dogs do it, so there you go.
Aww. Okay, Rocco, this way. Yep, come on, this way. This way. Oh. She's like, nope, Rocco's not going anywhere. No, if I have anything to do with it.